Hello guys, we are here to collect animals. Let's see what we'll find. It looks like a zebra. Let's see. Yes, it's a zebra. Let's see what is this. It's a dinosaur. Wow guys. Yes, it's a lovely sea animal called crab. Let's see there. It's a lobster, another sea animal. Let's see what is this. Beautiful, it's a leopard. It looks like a giraffe. Wow, it's a giraffe. There is something. It's green in color. It's a T-Rex. We find another dinosaur. Let's see there. I think it's a cow. No, it's a beautiful sheep. It looks like a turtle. Let's see. Yes, it's a sea turtle. Very nice. There is something. Let's see. Wow, it's a hyena. It is a dangerous animal. Let's see what's there. Beautiful little panda. Pandas are cute guys. Let's see what we find here. What is this? It's the walrus. Oh, he has large teeth. Wow, guys, another dinosaur. Let's find some more. Please guys, subscribe to my channel and hit the like button. It's a wolf. Nice wolf. So guys, we collect a lot of animals. Sea animals, wild animals, farm animals. This is huge. Thanks for watching. Take care.